So is your seat all tore up and you need a new one, you can try a seat cover. Now, when you look at seat covers, there's a lot of different ones. But this one I found fits the best for me. And when I'm got my ass hanging over here trying to stay on the side of a hill, the seat cushion pretty much stays in place. And part of that is there's a strap right here that you can adjust for your seat. Now, typically mowing, see here, I did have the need for oil when I went mowing, but I've taken care of that with some rings and stuff. I'll have some, you know, paper towels and stuff just in case I need them for something. See, you got 3 pouches, and you got this zip-up bag. Let's look in this tractor. Sorry about that, candy. Yep. A bag and some more paper towels and my drink. And here's that zip-up pocket. What I usually do with it is my phone. Zip it in there and all's good. Now, nothing that I know of I've lost out of here, but you could put gloves in here. I mean, it's endless what you can put in there. Even this drink thing seems to be doing pretty good in there. Now, the reason I did this, one tractor has a newer seat on it, and the other ones have older seats. My first initial thing was I had one little poke hole in the seat, and I wanted to protect it. The one thing I don't like, you can see here, if you're mowing around a bunch of trees and stuff, it gets on the seat just like it did the other one, but see that hole where the drain hole is? Then it lets all that stuff get underneath of there. So you got to take it off every once in a while and clean. That's if you're, you know, running down the side of bushes and all, and hedges and everything. Now to get this off, here, let's take this out. To get this off, you can unbuckle that snap, reach up here, and just pull this off. See, here's what it leaves in my seat that I got to clean out all the time. Which, as you can see, kind of plugs up them drains. But we'll get that cleaned out. And here's basically the seat cover. Now, if you notice, there's my spot on the seat. There's a brand new seat, and I don't know, stick, I don't know, I got it with something. So I figured I'd try to protect it. Now on my tractor, looks like the back of the seat leans back anyway. But if you look at this one, it gives the illusion that it leans back even more. That's the only thing I don't like, and that's just something visual, so, you know, so let's, I'm gonna take this one off. The same thing. Now this is a Himal seat cover. I got it from Amazon. Now see the difference? See how that seat got like a chunk missing and cracked up and all. So now my neighbor has a wheel horse that has basically the same looking seat. And he got one of the covers, and he's had the same success I've had with it. You know, even though that's a new seat, and I did get a poke is why I did it, I like these seat covers now just for the extra storage in the back. When you go to look these up, they tell you to measure from here to the back of the seat. They say 12.5 to 14 inches. Here we're what, 13.5 or so. You measure, it's really close to 19 inches in the back there, somewhere around 18 in the front. You measure somewhere around 14.5 inches that way. Now on this new seat we're about 13 inches. to the top. Again, right around 19 inches across in the front. And this one's about 19 inches. Let's see what the depth is here. Somewhere around 14 inches. About 14, maybe 14 and a quarter. So if your seat is anywhere close to that dimensions, a medium would probably do you okay. And now these seat covers are made out of polyester, but even the bushes and stuff, you know, I had that prick in the seat, but it doesn't seem to hurt this seat any at all. I'm not saying it won't tear, rip, or anything like that, but I haven't had that yet. Here's a Wheelhorse 312/8, has that same seat cover on it. So it fits the Wheelhorse seats pretty good too. Here's the L120 with that seat cover on it. This one's about 12 and a half tall and 17 across. About the same, 14 or 15 in length. Now, a seat like that, you'd probably have to have that short back, you'd probably have to have small. But there it is on a John Deere. Here it is on a Husqvarna riding mower. These things fit all right. Now this one is just about a half inch longer, it seems, in the front, but all the other dimensions are about the same. It seems to fit all right on there too. Here's my boy, Sam, he turned 19 years old last October 26th of 2021, so he loves the tractor. He loves to go riding.